My mother's hens and chicks were moved to the garage before winter to have a bit of shelter from the elements. This is what they looked like early this spring when we returned them to the porch. Since returning, they have new shoots, but are still a very white color. What do I do? And this is Gabriel from Kentucky. We kind of talked a little bit about this beforehand. Move where? I wonder about light locations, right?
Into the garage.
Right.
So most of the time we don't have windows in our garages. So it's going to be pretty dark.
Right.
So a possibility would be that just the lack of light, and then they lost like some chlorophyll possibly.
See, that's what I thought, yeah.
And that's why we're getting the whiteness.
That's why you get the whiteness is what I think. So it was the conditions, you know, of course, in the garage. So we talk about the light conditions. And then they were moved probably, you know, to the porch, which we don't know, maybe full sun, partial sun, whatever the case may be.
And are those, where was this call from?
Kentucky.
Kentucky. Okay, well, I was going to say, I know in Tennessee, most of the time hens and chicks are perennial and you can just leave them outside, but Kentucky is a little higher zone, so that might not be the case there.
Right.
Yes, I'm not really sure on that one. That would be my first hunch though.
Yeah, so I'm definitely thinking, yeah, light conditions would be the first thing that I would think of. Then from there, I mean, they're pretty easy, right? They're succulents, you know, full sun, you know, for us, you know, and really don't have any other issues that I know of.
And I wouldn't expect, you know, being exposed to temperatures that were too cool for them would be an issue since they were in the garage. They were protected from wind. But even when I have sometimes, well, I took some succulent house plants that were not hardy into my garage because I didn't want them inside anymore. And when it got too cold in the garage, they told me, and they did not turn white, they wilted. They just got all mushy instead of, you know, succulent.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.